Hello guys, today I am going to explain about single number problem in Leet code. Let's understand what the problem is. Given a non-empty array of integers nums, every element appears twice except for one. Find the single one. So if we see the input array, they have given 2, 2 and 1. 2 is presented twice and 1 is presented only once. So what we have to return is we have to return 1. The problem is quite simple and we can solve this problem very easily. I'll tell you how. And if you see the example 2, 4 1 2 2 1 2, right? So here 4 is appeared only once and 1 appeared, if we see this, 1 appeared twice, okay, and 2 also appeared twice. So what we have to return now is we have to return 4, okay. So this is all about this problem, and we can solve this problem using bit manipulation, and in that we can take help of XOR. I will tell you what about XOR. We can solve this problem using XOR. XOR is nothing but where the two bits are same, then we will return 0, otherwise it will be 1. For example, both are zeros. If both are zeros, what we can return is 0. If both are ones, we will return 0. If it's A is 0 and B is 1, then we can return 1. And A is 1 and B is 0, then we can return 1. This how XOR will work. I'll give you an example of using two numbers, the result how it will be. Say for example, A equals to 4 and B equals to 5, okay. So what the value of 4 in binary is nothing but 1 0 0 1 0 0, right? And value for 5 is 0 1, right? So we have to perform XOR operation for this. So what the result will be is, if you can see this, 1 is 0 and 1 is 1, right? So 0 and 1. So what we are having is 1, right? So we can put 1. And here it is both 0 and 0. So what the result we will get? We will get 0 only, right? Next, both bits are same. That is nothing but 1 and 1. So we will get 0. And here also both the bits are same. And else everything is 0 here. So this is the result. What if we do XOR for 4 and 5? Let's take example of like A and B are same. Then what we will get if we perform XOR operation? Let's see. I'll take 4 only. 0 1 0 0, right? 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0. So what if we perform XOR operation for this is the result will be 0. See, what we have to notice here is if we perform XOR operation for the same numbers, then the result will be 0. As we are seeing here, both the bits are same, both bits are same, here both bits are same, right? So all the bits are same, so it will return 0, okay. So in the problem they have stated that we have to find the unique value, right, where every element is presented twice and one element is presented only once. We have to find the element which is presented only once, right? So I'll take example this only. So I'll take example of this. So the okay The example what they have given is this. Okay. Yeah, okay. So it will work like, uh, see, we are having these and these same, the result will be 0, right? And 2 is presented twice. If we perform XOR for these two, then the result also will be same. And if we perform XOR with a single number, I mean like with 0 and a single element, say for example we are having only one, right, in one input. So for this, at this time we have to return 1. So what initially we are taking is, we are taking a result as 0, we are taking result as 0 and performing XOR operation with each element, okay, and we are storing that. So say for example of this, we have to return 1, right? So we are performing here AR of I XOR result, right? So here element is nothing but 1. So I will perform XOR operation of 1 with 0, okay. Alright, so what we will get now is, see here, all it will be zeros and 0 0 0, and here one bit is 1 and one bit is 0, right? Then what we will get is 1, right? So this value is equal to the array of I only, right? So at this time we will return this value, okay. We are storing this in a result. Hope you are clear with this, how the XOR operation will be done, and how we can solve this problem using XOR. I hope you are clear with this. So it will work like, what we have to remember is, there is no case that there will be only two elements such that the both will be equal. So in this time what will happen is, the result will be 0, because if we perform XOR operation for these two ones, the result will be 0, right? So they have clearly mentioned that the one unique value. So say for example, if we have 2 here, what will happen is, first we will perform XOR operation for these two, anyhow it will be 0, and next with 0 and 2 we perform XOR operation, then we will get the result of 2. Like this how we can solve this problem. I hope you are clear with this. I'll just write code for this. It's very simple, it's just 4 lines of code. Initially what I can take is int result equals to 0. I'll start a for loop and iterate through the end of the array. And what I'll update is, see, I will perform XOR operation for result to array of I. So at last what I have to return is return result. Yeah, I'll just run the code once. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, it has accepted the solution, and I'll submit and see. Yeah, this the solution is acceptable, and the time complexity for this is order of n. Order of n, because we are iterating through the whole array, right? So that's why the time complexity is order of n, and the space complexity is order of 1, because we are not using any extra space here. So this is the time complexity and space complexity for this solution. That's it, guys.